Hai, hello. Nama saya Dazlan dan saya daripada Secom Smart Malaysia. Dan hari ini saya nak buat video tentang tempered system dekat kita punya control panel lah. Dan kita punya respon daripada call center. So yeah, today I'm just going to be doing a short video on our tempered system on our control panel and our response team from the Secom Smart Call Center. So, ni adalah kita punya control panel. So this is the control panel. So dia ibarat macam otak untuk alarm lah. So this is the brain of the alarm. So anything that happens in the system ada trigger, this is what's going to be sending a signal to your phone and to our Secom Smart Center. So ni akan bagi notifikasi kepada phone kalau ada trigger alarm dan akan bagi signal ke kita punya call center lah. So hari ni saya akan cuba bukakan panel ni. Saya akan jadi macam pencuri. Saya anggap saya pencuri, saya akan cuba bukakan panel ni. Dan bila saya bukakan panel ni, saya ingat sistem takkan alarm sistem akan off lah. Tapi bukan, sebenarnya alarm sistem still on dan kita punya center akan take action lah. So I'm going to be opening this control panel, and usually when a burglar opens the control panel for the alarm, they would suspect that this will probably shut off the alarm system, but that is not the case. This system will still be active, and it will send a signal to our call center, and they will take action, and it will also notify you as the user. So okay, I will try to open the control panel now and see what happens. So yeah, I'm just using a very basic screwdriver. Just sorry about that, this screwdriver is a bit hard. And we should be getting a call from our Secom Smart Center soon once I open it. Okay, so I got a call already. So that is a Secom Smart by default. Hi, hello. Hello, yes.
Smart Malaysia, kami ada terima sinar, boleh bacakan nombor telefon?
Nombor telefon saya 01.
Kami dapat signal temper dari panel. Okey ke semua?
Daripada panel. Tak, saya ada tukar LAN cable tadi.
Okey. Thank you.
So okay, thank you. So yeah, so tu kita punya response team daripada Secom Smart lah. So kalau kita ada buka kita buka control panelnya, terus ada tempered, dan kita punya call center akan terus take action and call lah. So our call center will straight away give you a call if there is any tampering with the control panel right now. So yeah, so it's quite responsive. Secom Smart has been in Malaysia for quite a long time, so we are very experienced in this, and we will always give the best that we can offer and give the best response to our customers. So yes.